I think a lot of artists want to explore out of their original sound, which is what I've started with the August project. And I used to rap before the whole EDM stuff, and I think I just got scarred by hearing the sound of my own voice, which is why I never really sang. At Icon too, they force you to sing, which is good. And I just tried singing, but I could never make a track that I was like, okay, I want the world to hear this. And then I finally did. And then once you get that first one, it kind of dominoes from there. You're like, okay, I can do this. There's something beautiful about sending a message without lyrics through electronic music, but it's also nice to literally say lyrics and get like more of a direct message across, which is why doing the August stuff is so fun.